falling.
Bro's neck is actually kind of cooked. You have so many videos on your phone that I can only record for 57 minutes and 12 seconds.
Right, yeah, oh good.
My hands are getting really cold. How many frogs can you fit in your mouth? Fit in your mouth. Fit in your mouth. How many frogs can you fit in your mouth? Oh, you're getting fat. Oh wait, my thumb was inside the camera the whole time. Oops, 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 oops. Oops, little finger action.
Guys, I don't think it's very happy.
I don't think it likes you dropping it.
Yeah, it's not very happy. What the heck? Oh.
Hey, this bone getting absorbed into this man's neck.
Oh, look at this man setting up his drones in the middle of the night. Probably gonna watch some Instagram reels. What are you doing, man?
Okay, bro. Get your phone away. It'll mess up the cowboy.
Alright, radiation interact.
ASMR.
Yeah, give me some more ASMR. Give me some. I didn't think I could give me some, but okay.
You must be like the bag wrapper to get fat.
What does the flash do? Bruh! Bro, you make a lawnmower?
Okay. Ow.
Okay. Chewing noises continue.
And now for drone setup attempt, part 2.
I'm eating some unhealthy gushers right now, so let's go watch this.
Why are you pointing at me chewing always?
Gushers.
Hold on, the camera, put it too.
Wow, bad camera. Forgive me, guys.
Oh my god! Guys, that's awesome!
These gushers taste orange.
Oh,
Hello.
no, it's that low battery.
I saw all your videos.
Oh, cool.
Finally for the last gushers.
No, the last gushers!
It is orange. Next, I'm eating the camera.
I'm eating.